What's going on, guys? Jeff from Backyard Water Garden here. Just wanted to shoot a quick video showing you the cool effect you can get using these LED lights that change color when you mount them underneath your concrete grill island. Now, if you want to make a grill island like this one, head on over to backyardwatergarden.com and check out our post. I put a link down below if you want to check that out. If you want to get some of these lights yourself, there's also a link in the description below. But as you can see, the effect is awesome. I highly recommend these. I mounted these lights. They are already encased in silicone, but what I did was I added another layer of protection to keep them out of the weather. They are plugged in to a GFCI grounded outlet inside my grill island, and the remote sensor is outside so I can operate it with a remote. I used taped them underneath my grill island, and then took a bead of silicone and went over top of these lights. Now they're LEDs, so they don't get hot, so you don't have to worry about them melting the silicone. Now I know this isn't a pond video, but it's just one of those things that adds that little special touch to your backyard experience. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And until next time, enjoy your backyard water garden.